Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this back to school inspired set of nails. So I will be doing this set on a set of press-ons because I'm not a teacher and I'm also not in school, so I don't really need to sport back to school nails, but I really wanted to create a set. So I'm going to start off with Madam Glam's Perfect Black. We're going to use this for the background shade on the thumb. Then we're going to use Madam Glam's Mimosa, which is a bright yellow. This is a perfect pencil yellow shade. We're going to use this for the pointer finger. Then we're going to use Madam Glam's Lavender Springs. It is a beautiful lavender shade. We're going to use this for the middle finger. Then we're going to use Madam Glam's Perfect White as a notebook piece of paper background. So we're going to use this on the ring finger. And finally, we're going to use Madam Glam's Candy Pop, which is a bright corally pink type of a shade. We're going to use this for the pinky. And I am going to go ahead and do 2 coats of each color. Now moving on to the detail work, I will be using my Young Nails Micro Detailer brush for everything. We're going to start out with Madam Glam's white gel paint, and on the black nail I'm going to create a chalkboard scene. So in the white I'm going to write ABC as well as 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm going to take out the red gel paint and we're going to draw an apple on the chalkboard nail as well. So I'm just going to draw in and fill in the apple shape. Then moving on to the pencil nail, which is the yellow one, I'm going to take that Candy Pop shade and I'm going to draw a line at the cuticle area to create the eraser part of the pencil. Then I'm going to take my Young Nails gel paint in Sonic, which is a teal shade, and I'm going to take the white nail. We're going to create a piece of notebook paper. So I'm going to create teal lines going horizontal across this nail. Next, I'm going to take the green gel paint. We're going to go back to that chalkboard nail. We're going to add on the stem and the leaf for the apple. We're also going to take that teal. We're going to add a star and some dots to try to fill in this chalkboard. I'm also going to take Hot Coral from Madam Glam's gel paints, and we're going to draw a heart here as well. Next, going in with the silver gel paint, I'm going to create a line on the pencil nail in between the eraser and the actual pencil. This is going to be that silver metal piece that attaches the two together. Going back to the notebook nail, and now I do want to mention when I'm going back and forth between the nails, I am curing in between, and so that's why I'm kind of hopping to different nails. But going back to the notebook nail, we're going to create a red line on the left side of the nail going all the way down. I'm also going to take the black gel paint and I'm going to write A+ on the notebook paper. Next, we're going to move on to the two crayon nails. So the Lavender Springs and the Candy Pop were the base for the crayon nails. I'm going to take the black gel paint and I'm going to create a pretty thick black stripe kind of in between the top and the middle of the nail. And I'm going to do the same for the pink crayon. After the black stripes are fully cured, I'm going to go back in with the white gel paint. I'm going to create the little squiggly do on the crayon. And then once the white gel paint is fully cured on my palette, I go back in with those original shades and I do color over that white to fill it in to match the shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat the nails. I will be using a mixture of matte and shiny. So starting off with the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat, I'm going to go ahead and use this on the chalkboard nail, the pencil nail, and the notebook nail. Then I'm going to switch over to the regular top coat from Madam Glam and use this on the two crayon nails. Here's how my back to school set of nails came out. I think they're just so cute and so fun. I do have a friend, I do her nails. She is a teacher. I'm trying to convince her to do a back to school set of nails one of these years, or we could even do it during the school year to teacher appreciation. I just think they're so fun and so cute with all the colors, and it just definitely makes you feel like nostalgic as an adult, like thinking back to going back to school and all the school supplies that you get. I don't know. I think it's really fun. You guys will have to let me know down below how you like my back to school set of nails and if you would wear a set like this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials, and make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.